Hello friends, welcome back to Online Math. So we're going to be solving this equation right here. Okay, so what we have is 1 over 4 and then all power x is equal to x. So we want to find out the root of this equation, that is the value of x that is actually going to satisfy this equation right here. So you want to follow through and then let's see how it goes. Of course, like we've always done, if you're new to our channel, do what to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and also turn on the notification icon so that you will always get notified each time we release new content. And then of course, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Do what to hit the like button too, even as we proceed with the video. Okay, so let's delve into this video, and then moving on, what I'm going to do is just to expand this stuff that we have right there. So you can see that 1 divided by 4, all of them are all power x. So I'm going to split that, and of course if I do that, I can write this as 1 power x, and then of course divided by 4 power x is equal to x. Okay, so of course you know that 1 power 1 is equal to 1, 1 power 2 is equal to 1, 1 power 3 is equal to, even 1 power 1 million is still the same as 1. And so 1 power x for all values of x gives you basically the same answer, which is equal to 1. So I can rewrite this as 1 over 4 power x, and of course it's all equal to 1. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, let me just do cross multiplication. So I'm going to use this 4 power x to multiply this side. So let's see, this one is over 1, so I'm also going to use this to multiply this one right here. So if I do that, I'm going to be having a 1 is equal to a 4 power x and then multiply by x. Okay, so next I'll divide through by x. Okay, so that what I now have, this can actually cancel this, and so what I have is, let me write this first, 4 power x is equal to 1 over x. Okay, so this is cool. And then what I'm gonna do next is actually to find a way to remove this power x right there, and then of course I can achieve that by taking both sides to power 1 over x. So if I do that, I have 4 power x, and then all power 1 over x is equal to 1 over x, and then of course all power 1 over x. Okay, and then moving on, I can actually use, of course, if you remember the rule that a power n, and of course power n, this can also be written as e power m multiplied by n. Okay, so if I apply that there, I can actually use this x here to multiply this 1 over x, and if I do that, this left hand side now collapses to 4, and then the right hand side still remains the same, 1 over x power 1 over x. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is actually to write this for, of course I can write this for as 2 power 2. The idea is I want to find a way to also write the left hand side to look like the right hand side, and of course 4 can be written as 2 power 4, and it's equal to 1 over x and then power 1 over x. So clearly you can see that they are having similar pattern, and now we can actually compare the two sides of the equation. So you can see that that 1 over x, what is inside the bracket here is still the same with what is on top of the bracket, that is the power, and then the base here is still the same as the exponent. Okay, so of course we can just conclude here that 1 over x is equal to 2. So by comparison, you can see that right here. And then at this point we can just go ahead to also do cross multiplication. This 1 times 1 here is 1, it's equal to x times 2, give us 2x, and then we'll proceed to divide through by the coefficient of x, which is 2. Okay, and obviously you can see that x is equal to 1 over 2. Okay, so x is equal to 1 over 2. So we can just do a very little quick check to see whether it is actually going to satisfy the equation we have. So what we are solving is 1 over 4 and all power x is equal to x. So we want to find out whether 1 over 2 satisfies this. So what I'm going to be having is 1 over 4 and all power 1 over 2. Will that give us equal to 1 over 2? Okay, so and it just very much simple to see that, because 1 over 4 power 1 over 2 is just basically same as saying 1 over the square root of 1 over 4. So we want to find out whether it is equal to 1 over 2, and of course you can clearly see that square root of 1 is equal to 1, and then the square root of 4 is equal to 2. So you can see that correct, it is the same, and of course 1 over that shows that 1 over 2 satisfy the equation we are solving. So thank you guys so much for watching, and then make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more updates, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.